first grade, happy Wednesday! What we will be doing is we will generate a number that is greater than or less than a number. How we will be doing that is we will generate and illustrate a number that is greater than and less than the numbers 70 and 82. This is important so we can understand the value of numbers. Let's go ahead and go over our vocabulary. So our first vocabulary word is ones. Ones is our smallest 10 blocks, and in the number 47 we have 7 ones. Base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks we have 3 different kinds. We have ones, which is small ones, 10 longs, and our hundreds block. Tens. Tens is our long base 10 blocks, and in the number 47 there are 4 tens. Standard form. Standard form is a number form that we usually see of a number, 247. So this is the standard form. Expanded form. Expanded form is when we take apart a number. So we took apart 247 and put 200 plus 40 plus 7. Place value. Place value lets us know how many tens and ones are in a number. So there are 4 tens in the number 47 and 7 ones. Represent. Represent is when we can use our greater than, less than, or equal to symbol in a number sentence. Less than. Less than is which one has the least amount or which number is smaller. So right here, the number of apples is less than the number of oranges because there are fewer. Greater than. Greater than is which one has more. What is the bigger number? So right here we have more apples than oranges. The number of apples is greater than the number of oranges. Equal to. Equal to is when there's the same amount for the same number. So there's the equal. So the number of apples is equal to the number of oranges. 10 more is when you add 10 or add a base 10 block. And 10 fewer right here is when you take away 10, when you take away a base 10 block. So let's go ahead and see our lesson for today. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be generating a number 1 greater than and 1 less than, just like we did yesterday. So let's look at our given number that we have. We have 60. So the number 60 has 6 tens and 0 ones. So right here I have 60 with my base 10 blocks. And we're going to start with 1 greater than. So I'm going to add 1. Now let's see how many tens and ones we have after adding that 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And 1, 1. So now we have the number 61 after we added 1. So let's go ahead and draw it out. So I'm going to draw my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to draw out my 1. 1. So now I have 61. I'm going to take away my 1. And now I have 60 again. And we have to generate a number 1 less than. So that means we're going to take away 1. So I'm just going to take away 1. And now I have ones left and some tens. So let's count how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I can't count this one because it's not 10 anymore, because I took 1 away. So I only have 5 tens now. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9 ones because I took 1 away, so it can't make a 10. So I just have 9 ones left. I'm going to go ahead and draw my model, my 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have the number 59 after I took 1 away from 60. Now let's see what number is greater than 60. What number? 59 or 61? 61 because we added 1. So 61 is greater than 60. What number is less than 60? Which one? 59 or 61? 59 because we took away 1. So 1 less than is less. So 59 is less than 60. Now let's see 60, but this time we're going to add 10s. We're going to add 10 and take away 10. So right here I have 6 tens, and we're going to do 10 greater than. So we're going to add a 10 long. I'm going to add my 10 long, and now how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 10s and 0 ones because I didn't add any ones. So now I have the number 70. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0 ones because I don't have any ones. I'm going to go back to 60. And now I need to generate a number 10 less. So I need to take 10 away. So I'm going to take 10 away. Now how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 10s left. Do I have any ones? No. So I have 0 ones. So now I have the number 50. So I'm going to draw my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 0 ones. So 10 more than 60 is 70, and 10 less than 60 is 50. So what number is greater than 60? What number did we come up with that's greater than 60? Ding ding, 70. Awesome, because we added 10. What number is less than 60? Woohoo! 50. 50 is less than 60 because we took 10 away. Oops. Now let's look at a different number. 89. Let's get some 10 blocks for 89. So I have 89. So I'm going to start off with my 10 less this time. So if I take away, oops, sorry, not 10 less, 1 less, excuse me. If I take away 1, let's take away 1 for my 89. Now let's see how many 10s and 1s we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 10s. How many 1s do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 8 ones after taking away 1. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, my 8 10s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My 8 ones as dots. So now I have the number 88, which is 1 less than 89. So now I'm going to put back my 89, and we're going to see 1 greater than. So 1 greater than, so we're going to add 1. But wait, we had 9, and what's 9 plus 1? 10. So we can switch out these 10 ones for a 10 long. Because remember, a 10 long equals 10 ones. So we're going to go ahead and switch it out for a 10 long. So now how many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s. And how many ones? 0. 0, because remember we switched it out for a 10 long because we had 10 ones. So we switched it out for a 10 long. We're going to go ahead and draw our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0, 10. So when we added 1 to 89, we got 90. So what number is greater than 89? What number did we come up with that's greater than 89? 90. Awesome, because we added 1. What number is less than 89? What number did we generate that's less than 89? Ding ding, 88. Correct, because we took 1 away. So 88 is less than 89. One more. We're doing 89 again, but we're generating a number 10 more and 10 less. So let's go ahead and get our 89 blocks again. 8, and then our 9. Oops, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So now, let's start with 10 greater than. So all we're going to do is we're going to add our 10 long blocks. So we're going to add it right in here. Now we're going to count how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10s. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. 9 ones, because we didn't add any ones, we just added 10s. So now we're going to draw our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to draw our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 99. 99 is 10 more than 89. Now let's take away our 10 and go back to 89. And now we need to generate a number 10 less. So what do we need to do? Take away 1. So when we take away 1, how many do we have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 10s left. And did our 1s change? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, they didn't change. We still have 9 1s. So when we add 10 or we take away 10, our 1s stay the same. So right here, we're going to put 7 10s. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s and 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1s. So now we have 79. 79 is the number we get when we take away 10 from 89. So it's 10 less than 89. What number is greater than 89? What number did we come up with? 99. Awesome. 99, because we added 10 to 89, so it makes it greater. What number did we generate that is less than 89? Awesome. 79. 79 is less than 89 because we took 10 away. It's smaller. Awesome job. So now go ahead and click video number 2 to see what you're going to be doing for today's assignment.